This is a deer, Sandy. She's having a lunch.
She's eating her feet. She's eating herself.
Oh, she came out to us. Good to see you.
Can I pet you, please? Can I pet you? Can I pet you, please? Can I pet you? I want to pet you. Can I pet you? Let me pet you.
That's her nose. That's her little nose. Nose.
Well, she attempted to eat my finger.
Ears. Can you see her ears? Long ears.
Mommy, I'm accused.
Uši. Ano. Uh-huh.
Is she attempted to eat? Is the deer attempted to eat my finger?
She just smelled you. Yeah, the deer smelled you. Yeah.
No! Why are you smelling that deer?
Because she wants to know you better and remember you as friends. When you come next time, she will know you by your smell.
Can we first giving the deer a trash for the deer to eat? That's what I was doing.
No. No, Kerrigan. Stop. Stop. I don't think we can give. She's giving her wipe because she likes wipe. Yeah.
Wait, wait, there you. Bee.
Kairis ma chce poutierať srnku však. Poutieraš jej ústa, lebo sa najedla. Naobedovala, treba jej utrieť ústa. Utieračikom.
Hello.
Good girl, you said hello.
Hello.
Good.
Hello.
You wave at her. Good girl. Good girl.
A piece. You want a piece?
Goodbye, Sandy.